people, my name is Sharon. Buonasera, ciao. Today I'm gonna take you to a tour to an Italian food menu, an outline on the menu. Probably in my native episode, whenever I feel like I'm doing it, I might share the deep about it. This will be very useful for the industry people. So know about your food, know your dishes, then you suggest to your guests. Know your Bible before you preach. That's what I mean. Okay? And for the guests, please order what you should be ordering it. Don't order any headless chicken and start blaming the associate or the waiters over there. Even they are human beings. Okay. Firstly, the Italian menu, there are 5 to 6 courses. First course is the appetizer, which is being called antipasti. Antipasti is again divided into cold and hot. Cold means freddi, hot means caldi. One of the famous dish of caldi is antipasti misto di carne. It's an assorted cold cuts. Italians love their cold cuts. Some of the name I can tell you, it's coppa, mortadella, salami. These are the names of the cold cuts. And in hot appetizer, we have melanzane alla parmigiano. Melanzane alla parmigiano is nothing but layered eggplant, cheese, and tomato base. Melanzane means eggplant, parmigiano means parmesan. And second course, probably you can switch your first course in appetizer or soup. Now, soup means suka. Suka means the pumpkin. Supa means the soup. Then supa alla fungi is mushroom soup is one of the famous soup which is been known everywhere. People know about it. Supa the suka, which is the pumpkin soup, is also famous. So whenever you want feel like you want to try it, please try it. It's one of the best, very thick. And if you want looking for a clear soup with assorted seafood, it's suppa alla pescatora. Pescatora is basically all assorted seafood, which is one of this is I can name it. There's clam, there are clam, mussels, prawns, there is squid in it. I forgot one of the famous soup, which is called minestrone. Minestrone is basically nothing but one of the saying is there. Ridi mama e fatto e gnocchi. Sorry, I bought the wrong phrase, but just to let you know, minestrone is a traditional dish soup again. It's at least 15 to 16 variety of soup. Vegetables have been added in it, and it's white in reddish color or sometimes in greenish color. Good soup, healthy soup. Have that. Next is the main course. Main course first is the pizza. Everyone knows the pizza. Even I know my pizza. Pizza is thin crust, double crust, thick crust, cheese loaded. There are so many types that have been come recently, but the famous authentic is the margherita pizza. It's nothing tomato dough, the tomato layer, there's the mozzarella cheese and the basil leaf, basilico. Okay, that is the pizza section has been done. Now we have pastas. Pasta in main course, we also have different size of pasta. We have short pasta, long pasta. Short pasta there is fusilli, rigatoni, penne, cavatappi, there is farfalle, is a bowl-shaped pasta. Then in long pasta we have spaghetti, linguine, tagliatelle, tagliolini, fettuccine, and there are different sauces accordingly. Like pomodoro is a famous and basic sauce, which is tomato sauce. There is Alfredo sauce, which is the white sauce. We have arrabbiata, which is Indian preferred. Arrabbiata is basically a little spicy. They add some chili flakes, make it spicy. Where the Indian like for spicy. With ham, there is we have with bacon. I guess we have carbonara, one of the best carbonara. Where I just love that pasta. People who prefer pork, then only it's completely pork dish. People who know and like pork, please prefer that. Who don't like, don't look into it. Okay, no dhambrasht over here. Yeah, and having cheese by the way. The next one is the risotto session. Risotto is basically arbore rice made. Very good rice, big rice, made in cheese. One of the famous dishes, saffron risotto. Also, they have fungi risotto. People prefer a lot. There are also pescatora, seafood risotto. Then comes this here meat. You're wondering, right? So many courses, just to speak only, there are so many courses are there. And how will you know, how will you make into the stomach? Because Italian appetite is very big. They eat very good food and they look very healthy, lean, smart, good looking. And they are the wine, they are the girl. Sorry, my mistake. So, meat, there are like pork ribs, carrot di agnello, they like their lamb rack, lamb shank, they make assorted seafood. What all dish they make it, you just go in the meat section, it is very crazy. And they like their rotisserie style of chicken, I forgot that thing. Rotisserie style of chicken is nothing, they have a nice chicken been rolling up, a different cooking method. They like this method, that's your rotisserie style. In chicken it is called polo, and they are known for their mushroom also. Mushroom is one of the mushroom is truffle mushroom is famous over there. It's nothing. Every mushroom grows on top. It goes underneath the ground, underneath the, what is that called? जमीन के अंदर उगता है. तो जमीन के अंदर उगता है वो. It's had two types. One is white mushroom and one is black mushroom. White mushroom is more expensive in part. Black mushroom, yes, it's expensive again. It's like an Italian saffron, like how it's a gold of Italian. How India saffron is famous, same way in Italian truffle is famous. That's your risotto, and your carne is done. Last is your dolce. They love their dessert. Even in the dessert also they prefer cheese in it. One of them is tiramisu. Like when you go in Italy, your grandmother, your grandson will come, Mom, Daddy, aap kya bana rahe? He will say, she will say, Beta, I'm cooking tiramisu. Pick me up, lift me up. That means that was what it literally mean about it. Like, pick me up, lift me up. Thank you guys for watching this episode. It's just a spontaneous talk. I don't know, I'm just getting bored this quarantine time. I thought of just bringing my experience, which is supposed to be required to you to understand that what is Italian food all about. Don't order any wrong things. Order your food right, guest. Please don't blame the associate team. You take a right order, right upsell. Okay? Thank you. Bye bye. Ciao.